I gotta reach this fucking.
What's going on? What you trying to do, baby? Discrepancies early, as you can see. But it's all good, baby. We'll be right with you. You good, Pop? What you trying to do?
No, I'm just looking at something.
You
go ahead.
Okay. I didn't know what was going on. Anyways, we back at you, YouTubers. We had a little dispute, but it's all good, baby. Shit happens. But anyways, we about to do Zion Williamson, the best high school basketball player in, I guess, 2017, man. They say he's doing numbers. So we're going to see what numbers he pulling off, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, stick with us. We about to start up the reaction videos, baby. Let's go. Oh, my gosh. Did he knock Buddy out? Damn. How long I was supposed to. Oh my God. He ended the dude like that was the end for him. And he could dribble and move. Feet work on point. The man doing windmills, spin around dunks. I'm just a little shocked for how big he is. Yeah, he look like a damn tight end. Major athletic. And he got hops too. Dunking with both hands. Don't think that I'm playing, boy. No, we don't use hands, boy. No, we don't do friends, boy. The lemons on the landlord. I can stuff the car, boy. I can fuck your mom, boy. I can with the drop, boy. You give me my law, boy. I ain't with the law. Man, so damn expensive. I don't even know what this is. Just 60 songs, I swear to God. They too little for them. I mean, even when you put the big man on, they got man that look like he about 6'7" over there. He just looks so much stronger though. That's what it is. And he like moves. He did everything like he was doing. To be that big? Yeah. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't heard about him from somebody, but he on point, hey, my God. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, buddy. That was a good call, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hey, that was good. Hey, Zion Williamson, boy, salute, baby. I ain't even gonna lie to you, boy. You big dude making moves, baby. Check him out. Highlights, baby. Subscribe below, man. Drew_Classy. Instagram, Drew Classy. I'm all messed up. He messed me up. He actually a baller. Sorry about that, everybody. But anyway, Drew_Classy, double Y at Twitter. Get at me. Being Pops. We about to hold it down. Sports enthusiasts. And then you already know we in there. Oh, you want to look at Lonzo Ball. So see, now there we go, baby. So we in there. Check us out, baby. Reaction videos. We got them coming. Work. We just on the hustle, baby. Let's do that work. Holla, salute to my people. I'm out.